So you've had a keen interest in digital art for a while and you decide to go online yourself on Amazon or eBay and purchase an art tablet for yourself. It's arrived here in the mail and here you have it. Voila! Hook it up. Now what? Hi, if you're new to digital art, this video is dedicated towards you. It's gonna be helping you set up your tablet, installing the drivers, and showing you how to get comfortable using your tablet as soon and as early as possible. So let's begin. The first thing you want to do is you want to install the drivers, and what you can do for this is simply go into the website of the manufacturer. In this case, I'm using a Huion tablet, so I'm gonna go to huion.com/download, and you're gonna try to search for the specific model of the tablet that you have and the drive. So you find your drivers and you download them. Once they're downloaded, you just have to install them, and then you can get them up and running to set it up. And come setting up the drivers, it's as simple as clicking a few buttons here and there, just changing some commands for some binding. Maybe you wanna have a certain button as your eraser, you can set that up over there, and so on. But that's all up to preference. Also, adjusting your sensitivity is all up to your choice and how you feel it. Some people like leaving the default, some people like having it looking like a curve, but it's all up to you. Now you got it up and running, set up, the drivers are installed, everything is working properly, but it still feels hard to draw. But why? Well, of course it's gonna be really difficult to get used to digital art, but then of course everything comes to practice, and it's just all about trying to get used to the technology that you'll be introduced to. And how do you simply do this? I can give you a few steps that can help you ease out the process for you learning digital art faster. So the first thing you can do, you should take care and watch out for your posture. The way you sit as you draw, you should be seated at a 180-degree angle from your monitor, so you should be exactly parallel to your monitor, meaning that you are facing it head on, not a bit tilted to the side, to the right, to the left, not a bit like you want to be full on right in the face of your computer. Another thing you want to do is you also want to do some warm-up exercises, simply just drawing some circles, drawing some lines, sketching out some few shapes here and there, trying to get used to the feeling of drawing on a tablet. Especially this is very crucial to artists who have purchased hard tablet, as this requires you to actually stare at the screen and not look at your tablet while you're drawing. And another thing you can do is just simply learning the tools. You have to understand how the tools of the software works, depending on the software that you get. Some people use Photoshop, some people use Create Studio Paint, people use Krita, Medibang, so on and so forth. Any software that you use is all up to you, what you feel comfortable using, what you prefer. You can just test them out if you want and find out the one that best suits for you. For in this case, I'm using Photoshop, and basically you just want to get used to the simple tools such as the major ones, the brush tools. You want to understand your brushes and how they work. You also want to understand how your erasers work and how to use it, as well as some tools like the moving tool, the flipping tool for the canvas. Flip your canvas, you need to understand how to do that. And you can also experiment with other tools around there to see how they work and maybe make them suit you, since every artist uses the tools in different ways. But then the most common tools, of course, every artist uses are the brush tool and the eraser. Another thing you can do is, of course, as always, the most annoying answer, is always just practice. Everything takes time to learn, and digital art is no exception from that. You actually have to sit down and practice. You have to get used to the muscle memory of drawing on a pad tablet, because it's a bit different and has a different feel in drawing paper. And you just have to get used to that motion, really. And the more you just keep on doing it, the more it just gets embedded into you, you just get used to it, and at a point you just get to a point that you just can't stop, and you're probably going to be even better than you on paper. Lastly, as well, just sketch on paper as well. Why not? Because digital art might be challenging if you're completely new to art, and sketching on paper is such a great way to practice your art skills beforehand, before diving into the digital space. Because drawing on a tablet, you basically just transferring the skills you already had on the paper, just trying to somehow post them onto the canvas and try to create a piece that you like. Basically, that's all that you need to know about digital art, my friend. Anyway, thank you so much for watching up to this far. If you like the channel as always, you can subscribe, and feel free to drop a like if you enjoyed this video and I want to see more like this in the future. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next.